This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Claudia Urbas. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhouse located in the desirable Pine Vista community. This modern home features an open floor plan with spacious living and dining area, stylish kitchen with stainless steel appliances and convenient half-bath on the first floor. The second floor offers 3 comfortable bedrooms, including a master suite with a walk-in closet and private bathroom. Enjoy outdoor living with a cozy patio, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Attached 1-car garage with additional driveway parking. Pine Vista is a gated community with great amenities, including clubhouse, pool and more. Close to schools, shopping centers, restaurants, and major highways. For more information, review the details below or contact Claudia Urbas at 786